Good morning! Welcome sa ating first ever Bria module.
For today's Bria module, our topic is all about online reservations and online payment, plus virtual site tour.
I am Meg.
And I am Ritz. And we
are your instructors for today. So our first lesson for today is the online reservation. First is go to this link below and I'll teach you the rest.
So this is the first part of our EBIS form, which is the personal information. Here, you may input the basic details of the principal buyer. Take note that you should input the correct address and there should be 12 digits in the TIN number. If the principal buyer is married, he or she will input the spouse information. The co-borrower information sheet is only needed if the principal buyer cannot reach the required income. If the principal buyer is working abroad, he or she shall input the attorney in fact information sheet. This will serve as her or his representative. Here, the principal buyer must input his or her employment information. Take note, they should input 3 personal references. And lastly, kindly sign and click Submit.
For online reservations, you can pay to www.bria.com.ph or you can pay through online bankings like Metrobank, BDO, RCBC, AUB, or you can pay through GCash.
And lastly, itutur ko kayo sa Bria Homes, Gensan.
Bria Homes Gensan is located along Connell Road, Barangay San Isidro, General Santos City, 5 to 10 minutes away from the city proper, 3 minutes away from All Home Gensan, Coffee Project, and EMJ Aquawave Resort. With a 24-hour security, wide open spaces, playground, and covered court. Say hi to Elena Rojas, the most affordable house and lot in General Santos City, with a total lot area of 36 square meter and a floor area of 22 square meter. Provision for dining and kitchen area, toilet and bath, one bedroom, and living area. Perfect na perfect sa mga nagsisimula pa. Reservation starts at 3,000. Next is the newest complete package townhouse of Bria Homes Gensan, Bitina Select. With a minimum lot area of 36 square meter and floor area of 44 square meter. Inclusion upon turnover is a ceramic tiles for the ground floor, vinyl tiles for the second floor, provision for the 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, a service area, and a carport. Next is Alexa Single Firewall, a complete package 2-bedroom single detached unit with a minimum lot area of 81 square meter and a floor area of 36 square meter, with tiles and with partition for the 2 bedrooms. A spacious living area, a dining and kitchen area, 1 toilet and bath, a service area, provision for extension, and provision for carport. And lastly, the newest complete package 3-bedroom single attached unit Thalia single firewall with a minimum lot area of 81 square meter and floor area of 45 square meter. Provision for carport and extension.
Thank you so much mga kakampi for joining us today. Abangan ang susunod na episode ng Bria Module.